All right, everybody. Hello. As always, welcome back to Kellen Real Estate. Thank you again for all the people who've been commenting on the videos, all subscribers. Greatly appreciate it. So I've had people always ask me, like, what's it like being a landlord? And sometimes sarcastically, but not so sarcastically, I always tell them, like, get used to having to clean up after people. So I know I've done a video in the past where I talked about having to keep up the backyard, keep that clean, like, in the alleyway of one of my properties, because there's always deers, raccoons, always, like, things going in the trash, and, like, there's a couple abandoned buildings by there. I'm not talking about that part. Like, that part, it is what it is. Like, if you're a homeowner, especially if you're in the Chicagoland area, like, gonna be raccoons, squirrels, like, anything. It just kind of comes with the territory. But I'm talking about just being a landlord, and you literally will have tenants who will drop stuff in the hallway, drop stuff in the front yard. They'll want to do something with their kids in the backyard, and they'll have trash back that they won't clean up. And people who just literally, they'll walk past the trash on an everyday basis and just look at it. And I'm telling you right now, if you're a landlord, there are certain things you have to realize to just bite the bullet on. Like, you're going to have to do it. Nobody is going to care about your property as much as you are. Just flat out, point blank, period. Like, when I tell you, I clean up after adults all the time, and their kids. Like, when I'm sweeping up the hallway in one of my properties and I'm seeing, like, barrettes, I'm seeing, cigarette butts, all types of, like, candy papers and stuff like that. Like, I know clearly none of this stuff is coming from me. And I know which one of my tenants, like, which one of them have kids, like, multiple of them have kids. And I just know, like, yo, this is all because of them. And literally, like, if I don't pick it up, it'll just stay there the entire time. Like, people who have the kids, they'll walk past any type of candy paper or anything and leave it just sitting there. So just always know, like, that comes with the territory. Like, if you're a landlord, you have to really get used to the idea that, hey, nobody's gonna care about your property as much as you are, and just get used to cleaning up after adults. Like, quite frankly, it is what it is. I know it's not glamorous. I know it's not glorious. I know you're gonna say, man, they live here. Like, why would they just walk past the trash every day? Like, as Jim Rohn always said, like, don't sign up for that class. Like, it is what it is. It's your property. You're the one who has a responsibility. Just clean it up. Just know that going forward, and I guarantee you, like, your stress, your life will always be a lot easier than wondering why won't they do it, okay? All right, short video today. As always, if you're watching me on Instagram, you can find me on YouTube at Kellen Real Estate. And if you watch me on YouTube, you can find me on Instagram at Kellen. All right, till next time, guys.